I really have an issue with allergies, cold, cough during these seasonal changes. And for me, taking care of my immunity is the most important thing right now. We go about our lives in this polluted environment. We don't take care of our healthy eating habits, eating processed food all the time. So naturally, all these factors makes our immunity really low. Our faces look really dull and there is just no energy left at the end of the day.
And to solve all these problems, I've got my hands on Velvith Sea Buckthorn Pulp Liquid Concentrate.
Sea buckthorn is a very ancient plant which has been used in Ayurveda for over centuries. This plant is found in the coldest regions of Ladakh where the temperature is minus 40 degrees Celsius. The roots of this plant go deep inside the earth where it gets all its nutrients from. And what makes it even more special is that it is packed with over 190 bioactive compounds. It is also filled with omega 3, 6 and 9 and the super rare omega 7 which is amazing for your skin. And did you know it has a crazy amount of vitamin C in it, even more than oranges?
Take 1 spoon of sea buckthorn pulp juice in 1 glass of warm water, mix it well and drink every day on an empty stomach.
This is an actual game changer for me when it comes to boosting my immunity. Ayurveda is now called Velvith to include a wider range of holistic wellness products that expand beyond Ayurveda. So order yourself a sea buckthorn pulp juice right now from Velvith.